Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to change your GitHub page domain. So we are here in GitHub Docs, and if you want to change it, here's a guide for you guys. So when you go to your GitHub, navigate your site repository right here and then go to your settings right here. As you can see, just click on settings and then in the code automation side, click on pages, and then under that you'll be able to go to your custom domain where you will have to click save, and then this will create a new commit that adds the CNAME file directly to the root of the source branch that we're making. From there, you want to check if your DNS provider is either an alias or a name or a record. So it's going to depend on your IPv6 support right there. So if you're using a records right here in your Apex domain, you want to use this IP address and change it in your GitHub pages. If you're using your quadruple A records, you want to change it into this. So just pause the video and get this right there. From there, you want to open terminal in your MacBook. So just search up terminal right here and open it up. And then from there, you want to change your DNS records and configure it in the dig command, replacing your old domain right here, which is your example.com, which is the example right here. And then right here, you want to change it for A records. It's going to be right here. You want to pause the video and copy this. And if you're using a quadruple A record, you want to use this right here. And then remember to also check your A records. Once you've done that, you already have finished and you're going to be able to change your own GitHub page domain from there. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.